Kaya pala hindi niyo ako madalaw. May problema rin pala kayo, Nay. Kamusta na kaya kayo? Sana okay lang kayong lahat. At sana magandang balita yung pagdating ng tatay ni Kari.
Nakilala na ni Kari yung totoong tatay niya. Kaya, ayun, nagkakagulo lang sila.
Bakit kailangan pa si Tatay Delvin ba yung mag-alaga sa akin? Nasaan mo ba yung totoo kong tatay?
Matagal na kami ng connection ng tatay mo. Matagal ko na siyang kinalimutan.
Kung buhay pa siguro si Tatay Delfin, hindi niya ako pababayaan kahit hindi niya ako totoong anak. Hindi gaya ng totoo kong tatay. At tinalikuran si nanay kahit alam niyang pinagbubuntis na niya ako.
There was once a belief na ang mga bituin daw are those people who have gone before us. And I still believe that. Ayoko kasi makalimutan ng mga taong nawala na sa atin.
I hope wherever she is, she's staring at the stars right now. Para rin hindi niya makalimutan yung taong kinunya sa atin.
I know you're still hurting, son.
Doble, Dad. I'm hurting so much. I lost Leo. And he was my best friend. And now I also lost someone ang pinagkakatiwalaan ko. They were the only two people I could talk to, Dad. The only one I could share my problems. Now I have no one.
No. No. It's not true that you have no one. I'm here for you. Hindi man tayo magkadugo. But I'm here for you. You're my son.